Oh, okay, it's been rolling for a solid minute and a half. What's up, guys? It's Alana Nagels, like bagels but with an N. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I was gonna film this video earlier, but I broke 2 nails and it looked so ratchet. Like, who the heck breaks both middle fingers? Anyways, my nails, they are snatched. Got them done yesterday, so here we are, and we're gonna jump into this video. I did this green smoky eye the other last week, I don't know, did it last week, said I was gonna do it, so here we are. And the palette that I used to create this green smoky eye was actually the 39A Dare to Create by Morphe palette. It's absolutely stunning. Just give it a show. There are a few things I wish that this palette did have that I think is lacking. For example, I do wish there was a white creamish base color as opposed to all these dark transition shades in the middle. I wish they did like at least one lighter one, as well as, ooh, there is a fruit fly in here, hell no. Okay. Another thing I wish they did differently was that there was more of like a champagne gold color, as well as like a inner corner brow bone highlight color. So there are a few things. Those are the top 3 things that I think this palette is lacking. However, this palette is stunning. They just relaunched this by popular demand. It was only around Christmas time. They brought it back because everybody loved it, and I wanted to get my hands on it, and I finally did. So here we are. I'm going to create this green smoky eye look for you guys. So let's get into it because I'm starving and I got a dinner date. So first, my eyes are prepped and primed. I already did that off camera while I did that one. I'm just gonna use a smaller mirror here in front of me because I can't hold this in front of me, and it also doesn't have a mirror. So we are going to, first I'm gonna go in with these 2 colors here, and I'm gonna pop those into the crease with a fluffy brush. And we're gonna build the crease, and we're gonna drag it out and almost like do like a flicking, like a little flick on the end there. That way we get the cat eye look. If you guys are wondering, the lipstick I'm wearing today is Unicorn Blood by Jeffree Star. Alrighty, so we are gonna take this into the crease and just darken it. And you're just gonna follow the shape of your eye. And next, just to deepen that crease a little bit more, we're gonna take the next 2 colors, 2 middle colors, and we're gonna dot between those 2, and we're gonna build the crease up to make it a little bit darker. Alrighty, so we're gonna deepen that crease. So next, I'm gonna pop into with another fluffy brush, but a little bit smaller. So the first fluffy brush that I used was this, and now we're going in with the smaller one. A little more defined, but still fluffy, so you can blend everything out there. And I'm gonna go into the first green shade here. Oh my goodness, my arms are too little for this. Okay. Yeah, look at it. Like, what is this? It is huge. Okay. We're gonna go into this light green shade right here, and we're gonna pop that in the crease, directly in the crease. And you're gonna flick that out to the edge as well to get that cat eye effect. And that way we can smoke her out later. So I went in with that first green color, and then I'm gonna go in with the darker green color as well, and I'm just gonna go between the 2 just to darken that green in the crease. And we're gonna take that light green color that we started with, and then from the outer like little wing that you created, you're just gonna go from the outside and drag it into the outer V of the eye. And we're gonna start to fill that space like so. And then I'm gonna go in between the light green and the dark green to kind of build that, to give that a little bit of smoky cat eye effect. be looking a little something like that. Okay. Next we're gonna go in, okay, look at it. I literally have to lift this so high. Okay, so we're gonna go into this shade and this shade. So these two brown ones on the end. And I'm gonna pack that into the outer corner, outer V. So basically we're just trying to make it darker and create some dimension there. And once we pack that in, I'm just gonna slowly do circular motions to blend it in. And I'm gonna move down towards the center, I don't know, what the hell do you call that? The inner part of your eye. Sure, we're gonna call it that. We're gonna go towards the tear duct. There it is, okay. Oh, there it is, okay. We're gonna go with that fluffy brush that we used to do the initial crease, and we're just gonna buff out that outer V. And I'm also just gonna go back in with those transition shades that I used for the initial crease, the brown colors. I'm gonna go in with that middle one, which is like the most orangey of the palette, just to define if I've lost any of the color and definition from when I threw all the green and stuff in there. It's just gonna make it more like sharp. I don't know. Ah! Oh shoot. Okay, so we're gonna go in with that fluffy brush with the most orangey type of whatever the heck, the transition shade. Sure, we gonna call it that. And we're gonna throw that back up in there. And I'm gonna go back in with this fluffy brush with the green shade, the lightest one, just to make it a little more green dominant from when we added the brown shades. So now for the bottom lash line, we're gonna take this this sparkly, like charcoaly type brown, and we're gonna take like these three browns. Actually, we're just gonna mix them. And we are going to take that pencil brush and we are going to go on the lower lash line with that brown. And I'm also going to go in with those two green shades just slightly underneath that smoky brown that we just threw there. And my hair is going crazy. I feel like every time you guys see me, I have just showered. It's like I have nothing better to do after I shower than to put on a whole face of makeup. But I actually have plans this time, so I don't feel that bad about myself this time. I'm gonna take the other end of this fluffy brush, so it kind of looks like that. I'm gonna throw some of that green on there as well, just to smudge it in, to make it look more blended and smudgy, to give you that smoky effect. Next we're going to take a little bit of concealer. I just throw it on my hand like so. Boom. And I am going to just take a flat brush, like a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to carve out part of my eyelid to about halfway. And then I'm just going to take another fluffy eyeshadow brush, more fluffy, less dense, and I'm just going to blend it, the concealer, so it's more dry and not as tacky, and it won't be chunky when you put shadow on top of it. The colors that we're gonna put on top of the concealer, we're gonna take this shimmer shade and this shimmer shade, okay, and I'm just gonna mix them on my finger and I'm gonna dot it on to the concealer. So then I'm just going to go back in with my fluffy brush with my greens, and on the outer V, following into the tear duct, into the crease there. I'm also going to go in with, oh my gosh, with this brown color, just to deepen, to fix any shape that we may have lost when we did the concealer. So to finish off this look, I'm just gonna pop, I don't even know, what is this? It is the waterproof Sephora eye pencil. I'm gonna pop that in the waterline just to add to that smoky look. Woo! Okay, and finally I am just going to hop into my highlighter palette again, because like I said, there's not really much of a highlighting shade in this palette, so I'm just going to throw that on the inner tear duct and on the brow bone for just some extra shine. And finally, I'm going to throw some liner on, some mascara and lashes, and the lashes I'm using today are by IIKONN. I just became a brand ambassador for this company today, so I do have a discount code for you guys. Wow! So if you guys do want to purchase these lashes, I love these lashes. These are the only lashes I use. I swear by them. I can get you a 30% discount with my code. It is Alana Nagels, all capitals. I will leave the link in the description below for this site with my discount code. The lashes that I am using today, that's not the right lash. I have a lot of IIKONN lashes. They're called FLIRT, and they're beautiful. No. Yeah.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Indian food.
Indian food?
With Ricky, yeah. So finally I'm going to spray the face. We're going to set. I'm eating this and it's so disgusting right now. Alright guys, this is the final look. This is the smoky eye with the 39A Morphe palette. I love this palette, it's stunning. There are a few things that I wish it did have that it doesn't, but you can always make do. I'm obsessed with it. I highly, oh my goodness, hiccups. I highly recommend it. So yeah, make sure you like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment. So have a good night wherever you guys are, day, dinner, dessert, breakfast, because it's dinner time and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Have a good one, guys.